Beautiful large one bedroom in Flushing. This entrance. This is the living room, a large living room, beautiful hardwood floors, high ceiling, lots of light in the day. It's a double door closet here. Beautiful kitchen, a lot of cabinets, a lot of counter space. It comes with a dishwasher. Comes with a balcony. Beautiful view. It's the bedroom, a large bedroom, can fit a king size or queen size bed with a dresser. It comes with a double door closet here. Bathroom all renovated, very clean. And there's another closet here. Beautiful apartment, elevator building, laundry in the building, near banks, restaurant, grocery shops. A few blocks from the 7 train. An apartment's very good price, gonna go very quick. If you want to view it, call me or text me so we can schedule our viewing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.